Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I'm going to show you a better way to copy properties from something. And what I'm going to do, and I'm going to get in here pretty detailed because it's going to be really little lines and I can even go further than that. Now, I'm going to make a duplicate of this top one and I'm going to use my interactive fill tool. And I'm going to put a little black on that edge. Now, if I was going to do this, copy these down back in the day, I would use the attribute eyedropper. And I'd take a sample of that, and then I'd do that right there. But that's time consuming, and you can't really see, in that little bitty spot. So what we could do, let me just back up here, is I'm going to select, okay, I've got this as a group, so I can select all my green. I'm going to go to Edit and Copy Properties. I'm going to say Fill, and I'm going to say OK. It's going to give me that little arrow, and I'm going to copy the properties from there. So it copied all the ones I could touch. Much like, and you would never probably have this as a scenario, but let's do the interactive fill tool on this top one. And actually, we're going to use maybe a little circle, radius, elliptical, and let's put a little black in it so you can just see it better. That looks pretty good. Now, back in the day when I used to do this a lot, and I would copy attribute eyedropper, I would take a sample and go through here and do each one. But with this, you can select, these are all broken apart, but I can select them all and go up to Edit, Copy Properties From. I want the fill. As soon as I do it, it's going to give me that little arrow. And look at that. Much, much quicker, much more providing. Well, that's almost messing with your eyes. Anyway, hope that gave you a little bit of insight, and thank you for watching.